What are the best practices for deploying predictive models? Have you ever wondered how sports teams make decisions about player performance and game strategy? Predictive modeling plays a key role in this process. Let's discuss the best practices for deploying predictive models in sports analytics. First, start with clear objectives. Before you build or use any model, it is essential to define what you want to predict and why. In sports, this could involve forecasting player injuries, estimating game outcomes, or identifying potential rule violations. Having clear objectives helps guide your data collection and model selection. Next, collect high-quality data. Sports analytics relies on accurate, consistent, and complete data. This includes player tracking data, event logs, physiological metrics, and historical performance records. A single match can generate millions of data points, so strong data management is necessary. The quality of your data directly affects the reliability of your model. Establish data governance as well. This means setting rules for how data is collected, stored, and used. Good governance ensures that data is accurate and secure, which is especially important in sports where sensitive player information is involved. Choosing the right model is another important step. There are many types of predictive models, from simple statistical methods to advanced machine learning algorithms. The choice depends on the problem, available data, and desired accuracy. In sports, models often use historical data and real-time inputs to make predictions. Once you have a model, validate it. Before deploying, test the model on historical data to see how well it predicts known outcomes. This process, called validation, helps identify errors and improve accuracy. In sports, validation might involve comparing predicted injury risks with actual injury events. Integrate the model with existing systems. Sports organizations often use legacy systems for scouting, medical records, and coaching. New predictive models should work alongside these systems, not replace them. Gradual integration helps teams adjust and builds trust in the new technology. It is also important to balance automation with human judgment. Predictive models are powerful, but they cannot capture every aspect of human performance or team dynamics. The best results come from combining model outputs with expert analysis from coaches, sports scientists, and analysts. Regularly monitor and update your models. Sports environments change quickly. Models should be monitored for performance and updated as new data becomes available or as conditions change. Regular updates keep predictions relevant and accurate. Finally, communicate results clearly. Model outputs should be presented in a way that decision-makers, such as coaches, managers, and medical staff, can understand and act on. Clear communication ensures that predictions lead to real improvements in team performance and player health. Practical applications in sports include injury risk forecasting, game outcome prediction, and identifying potential rule violations. For example, predictive models can alert staff when a player is at high risk of injury, allowing for timely intervention. They can also help referees anticipate fouls by analyzing player behavior and game patterns. For those building a career in sports analytics, mastering these best practices will help you deploy predictive models that make a real difference on and off the field. Focus on clear objectives, quality data, strong governance, model validation, system integration, balancing automation with expert judgment, regular monitoring, and clear communication. Following these steps ensures that predictive modeling delivers reliable, actionable results for sports organizations.